The one that you are using is what? Is powder type fire extinguisher. And the label is blue color with a gauge stated that it is whether you are in a safe zone or empty zone. Safe zone green color means that you are safe to use that for fire. Can you see that? Can you see that? With a gauge, with a blue color label, stated that this is for office. This is more for server room or indoor. But for training purpose, we are using this because you will not leave any residue. If we insist to use that powder, all you need to do is make sure that your bag is facing the open air, no blockage. And then you pull out. You pull out. Okay? Okay, pull out. After you pull out, you maintain a meter of 1 to 1.5. Make sure that the wind direction is not against you, because it will force you to be in a very difficult position when you fight fire. Make sure, see, fight fire need to see feng shui one. Okay, right now I'm here. About 1 meter away, you what? Rest. Okay? Okay, if I continue pressing, you only last